In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of downloading and installing Visual Studio Code on your Windows 11 system. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this guide will help you set up one of the most popular code editors effortlessly. These are the minimum system requirements to install Visual Studio Code. We need to have minimum 1.6 GHz or faster processor and 1 GB of RAM along with Windows 10 and 11, 64-bit. Let's download Visual Studio Code. Go to Google and search for download VS Code. Check link given in the description or click the official link from visualstudio.com. Click Windows button to download Visual Studio Code setup for Windows. Open the downloaded setup file to start installation. Select I accept the agreement and click Next. Here in this step, you can change the installation directory if you don't have enough disk space in C drive. Click Next. Click Next. I am selecting checkbox to get desktop icon after installation. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish. It will launch the Visual Studio Code. You can change the themes if you want. And it's done. We have successfully installed Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like Facebook page.